Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to send a pin to a group on the Pinterest app for PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to share inspiring ideas, recipes, or just something fun with your friends or collaborators, this quick tutorial will get you there in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a list of options like Home, Today, and more. Find and click on Messages. This is where you can chat and share pins with friends or groups. Inside Messages, you'll find your conversations divided between individual chats and groups. Look for the group you want to share a pin with, and click on it to open the chat window. Groups are a great way to keep all your collaborative ideas in one place, and now sharing pins is easier than ever. After opening the group chat, pay close attention to the bottom of the messaging window. You'll notice a small plus icon. Click on this plus symbol to open the sharing options. Among the choices will be the option to share a pin. Once you've selected pin, Pinterest will show you a grid of the pins you've saved or engaged with recently. Scroll through to find the perfect pin that you want to share with your group. When you spot it, simply click to select it. After making your choice, just hit send. The pin will instantly appear in the group conversation for everyone to see and interact with. It's a great way to spark new ideas, or keep everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully sent a pin to a group on the Pinterest app for PC using the new update. Now you can easily share your favorite finds with your friends, family, or coworkers right within Pinterest. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to try it out yourself and share more pins with your group chats. Thanks for watching.